Welcome to another edition of our mystery drawings. Remember, you need a paper, something to color with, and a pencil. So let's get started. I'm going to be drawing, as always, with a Sharpie marker so that you can see the picture better. Alrighty, remember to start in the middle and kind of draw medium size. We're going to start today with the number 15. Remember, if you need to pause at any time in the video, go for it. Take your time, draw at your own pace. Alrighty, the next step, we're going to connect our two numbers at the top with two circles. Something like that. Then the top of my 5, I'm going to kind of close off. Watch what I mean. Just draw a line down. And at the top of my 1, I'm going to add a letter, the letter C. Okay. At the bottom of my 1, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a line curving out. And then I'm going to repeat that just a little bit bigger. Alright, now I'm going to come back to my 5. I'm going to do like a backwards letter C, or like the bottom of the 5 again. Something like that. And then I'm going to add a couple letter V's. Do you have an idea what we're making yet? Alright, from our V's, I'm going to draw another kind of curved line like this, but it's going to come this way. Something like that. My next letter that I'm going to add is a letter U, kind of a big one. Like that. I have yet another letter to add. You ready? I'm going to add the letter W over here. Watch what I'm going to do. Like a big letter W, kind of on its side. We're getting closer. All right, I have this gap here I need to fill in with a line. I'm going to add yet another U over here. All right. This is the part where we get to add lots of fun details to finish it off. Watch what we'll do. I'm going to add a few lines to my U's and W's, like so. I'm going to add some circles inside my top circles. A couple lines above. I'm going to add some lines here and some dots. Do you know what we made? We made a walrus, starting with our number 15. Now, if you've done our other mystery drawings, you know from here we need to add lots of details. We need to fill the whole page. So show me where your walrus is and what your walrus is doing, and have a little fun with it. Get creative. All right, so fill the page with lots of details, and then we'll add some color later too.